Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I just like to show you how to add a security pin in your Windows PC or laptop. So let's begin on it. So first of all, you just need to go on your search bar and type for password, and after type password you can see at the top option change your password. So open on it, and now you can see there have a option for Windows Hello Pin. So open on it. Now there have an option for add, so select it. Now you need to type your password at first. I type my password, then OK. Now you need to type your pin. I give a 4-digit pin, then OK. That's it. You can see my security pin already added on my PC. So in this way you can add a security pin in your PC or laptop. So I hope you can understand and hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.